Bring the needle out from 1 and take it diagonally across to point 2. Bring the needle back again from point 3, which lies vertically above point 1. Now put the needle in through point 4, which lies vertically below point 2. You have made a single cross stitch. Now bring the needle up from point 5 and take it diagonally across to point 6. Next, put the needle in through 7 and take diagonally across to point 8 to complete the second cross. Continue this process to complete your stitching. The same technique is followed for a vertical row. Because it is a simple stitch, different fabrics and thread textures add variety to the outcome of the item you are making. Cross-stitch is a form of counted thread embroidery that has been around for ages, and it is one of the easiest forms of hand embroidery to learn. Cross-stitch is comprised of X-shaped stitches done on fabric with an even and open weave like Ida or linen. A row of cross-stitch would appear like this.